Good day, friends. Today I'm working on my book of fabric collages. We're almost done. I have only 2 pages left to work on in this book. And today I thought I would go with pink. Well, Cyrus has other plans, so I guess I'll be back. All right, so I pulled out some pink fabric from my stash and I don't know what I want to do yet. Do I want to do strips? Do I want to do squares? I'm not really sure. I don't have any plan. Maybe I'll do some squares. Although I did squares in the last page, so maybe I won't do squares. Maybe we'll do some strips. I'm just going to keep playing around with this and I'll be back to show you what I come up with. There we go. I'm just going to tack all of this down with some pink thread because I don't want to remove it later. Sometimes if the pieces are bigger, I'll use a really bright color of thread like yellow, and then I'll remove it later. I can make bigger stitches, but in this case, I'm not going to remove the basting stitches, so I'll just use a coordinating color of thread. And I'll make teeny tiny stitches. If you're not looking for them, you won't even notice. You could, of course, use iron-on adhesive or glue stick if you prefer. Cyrus is being babysat by his sister, and I am going to do a running stitch all over this page with this pretty pink color, just to make sure that everything is nice and secure. I cut a heart out of this felt. It's very thick. And then I cut the middle out so that I can have 2 hearts. Just like this. And I'm going to use this thread. I don't know the color, but it's a very pretty color. And this is how I want to position my hearts. And I'm not going to pull too tight because you can see that, see how that page is pulling up when I pull tight. I don't really want that to happen. I'm just going to keep checking to make sure that the page is not rolling up. And I'll use the same stitch to go around the middle. Okay, so as I was stitching this heart down, I had an idea to insert a picture. And I wanted to put my beautiful Casper in here. So I kind of used a ruler to see how big of a picture I should print, and then I put it in Word, and I printed it out, and probably could have been a little smaller, but I think this will work. And I wanted to insert it before I completed the outside stitching. And then I think I'll just use a running stitch around the inside. I have Casper's name tag here, and even though it's not pink, I'm still going to add it to this page because why not? But where should I put it? And Cyrus is waking up for his nap. I don't know if you can hear his squeaky toy, but I'm just going to stitch this on real quick. And then I will show you the finished page, and then I will take Cyrus out for a walk. What we have here is a baby shark.